No matter how high the numbers rise, Guam Memorial Hospital Administrator Lillian Posadas says they're doing everything they can to provide patient care to COVID and non-COVID patients.
We don't have much of a choice but to manage and to handle.
The total census to include non-COVID patients at GMH as of Friday morning was 150, and of that number, 62 patients are receiving care for COVID, 12 are receiving ICU level of care, and 4 are on ventilator support. Of the 62, 8 are at the GMH Skilled Nursing Unit in Barrigada Heights, also referred to as the COVID Isolation Facility, or SIF. The goal, according to Posadas, is to try to keep COVID patients off ventilators. Posadas says, at the direction of GMH Medical Director Dr. Jolene Uggan, they have stood up a robust proning program.
Where every 2 hours, these individuals are put in a proning position that will help them with their lungs, open up their lung capacity. So that way they get better aeration and oxygenation so they don't get to the point where their lung tissues continue to collapse and need to be on ventilators.
Proning is described as a process of turning a patient with precise, safe motions from their back onto their stomach so the individual is lying face down. It reportedly leads to better breathing.
There is that approach and that strategy that Dr. Ogden has launched with a team of support staff who go to every room and put patients in a proning position. So hopefully that will continue to help these individuals pull through this COVID infection and not need to be on ventilator support.
Aside from the proning approach, Posadas says they are continuing to work on increasing nurse staff. 10 nurses picked up through their Staffing Solutions Agency will arrive to Guam on Sunday, and GMH is continuing efforts to recruit more nurses here at home.
And we've met with the public health, who now has the authority and the oversight responsibility of the DOE nurses. So we're in communication with them to try and, maximize their availability in the hospitals, both GMH and GRMC.
As the numbers rise, everyone is urged to do their part by wearing a mask, practicing social distancing, and staying safer at home. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Jonah Gancharfris.